Which of the following is a sedimentary rock? Answer: limestone. Explanation: sedimentary rocks are aqueous stratified rocks formed by deposition. Examples: limestone, gypsum, magnesite. Gneiss is metamorphic, granite and dolerite are igneous. Q2. Syenite is. Answer: plutonic rock. Explanation: syenite is an intrusive igneous rock belonging to alkali plutonic rocks, mainly composed of feldspar and ferromagnesian minerals. Q3. Which one is metamorphic rock? Answer: schist. Explanation: metamorphic rocks are formed due to heat, pressure, and chemical changes. Examples: marble, gneiss, quartzite, schist. Q4. Solidification of molten magma within earth crust forms. Answer: granite. Explanation: granite is an igneous rock formed by slow cooling of magma inside the crust. Q5. Bauxite is. Answer: hydrated aluminium oxide having dull luster. Explanation: bauxite is a sedimentary rock rich in aluminium with dull appearance. Q6. Example of igneous rock. Answer: syenite. Explanation: igneous rocks form from cooling of molten magma. Examples: granite, syenite, gabbro. Q7. Quantity of explosive depends on. Answer: A equals 0.008 approx. Explanation: depends on strength, boreholes, size, and method of blasting. Q8. Gneiss is chemically classified as. Answer: siliceous rock. Explanation: gneiss contains silica as major constituent. Q9. Which is igneous rock? Answer: rhyolite. Explanation: rhyolite is volcanic igneous rock formed from lava. Q10. Granite is mainly composed of. Answer: quartz, feldspar and mica. Explanation: these three minerals give granite its strength and durability. Q11. Example of stratified rocks. Answer: sedimentary rock. Explanation: these rocks have layered structure formed by deposition. Q12. Example of metamorphic rock. Answer: marble. Explanation: marble is formed from limestone under heat and pressure. Q13. Matchstone with use. Correct match. Answer: granite, ballast, marble, ornamental, chalk, cement, laterite, building. Explanation: each stone matchstone with use. Correct match. Answer: granite, ballast, marble, ornamental, chalk, cement, laterite, building. Explanation: each stone has specific engineering use based on properties. Q14. Slate and marble belong to. Answer: metamorphic rocks. Explanation: both are formed by transformation due to heat and pressure. Q15. Matchstones with uses. Correct answer: granite, sea walls, marble, ornamental, limestone, cement, slate, flooring. Explanation: based on strength and durability. Q16. Hardness sequence: soft, hard. Answer: talc, gypsum, calcite, fluorite, quartz, diamond. Explanation: based on Mohs hardness scale. Q17. Subclassification of sedimentary rocks. Answer: mechanical, chemical, organic. Explanation: based on mode of formation. Q18. Seventh mineral in Mohs scale. Answer: quartz. Explanation: quartz has hardness value 7. Q19. Rocks formed due to heat and pressure. Answer: metamorphic rocks. Explanation: existing rocks change under high temperature and pressure. Q20. Gypsum is. Answer: chemically precipitated sedimentary rock. Explanation: formed by crystallization from dissolved minerals. Q21. Shingle is. Answer: water-bound pebbles. Explanation: found near rivers and used in construction. Q22. Granite is example of. Answer: igneous rock. Explanation: formed by cooling of magma. Q23. Most weather-resistant metamorphic rock. Answer: quartzite. Explanation: very hard and resistant to weathering. Q24. Rocks deposited in layers are called. Answer: sedimentary, stratified rocks. Explanation: they form in layers and can be split easily. Q25. Lightweight aggregates obtained from. Answer: volcanic source. Explanation: example, pumice, tuff. Q26. Example of volcanic rock. Answer: basalt. Explanation: formed by rapid cooling of lava. Q27. Color of sedimentary rocks determined by. Answer: iron. Explanation: oxidation of iron gives reddish color. Q28. Quartz and mica are. Answer: minerals. Explanation: they are components of rocks, not rocks themselves. Q29. Weathering of rocks occurs due to. Answer. Physical, chemical, and thermal stress explanation. All factors contribute to breakdown. Q30. Boundary between crust and mantle. Answer. Moho discontinuity explanation. Separates crust and mantle layers. Q31. Aggregate impact value for airport runway should not exceed. Answer. 30% by weight explanation. Ensures sufficient resistance to impact for heavy aircraft loads. Q32. Least dense rocks are found in. Answer. Continental crust explanation. Density is lower compared to oceanic crust and mantle. Q33. Marble is quarried by. Answer. Wedging explanation. Suitable for soft rocks like marble, limestone, slate. Q34. Jumper tool is used for. Answer. Quarrying of stones explanation. Used to drill vertical holes for blasting. Q35. Marble is an example of. Answer. Metamorphic rock explanation. Formed from limestone under heat and pressure. Q36. Explosive quantity is expressed in. Answer. Kilograms explanation. Measured by weight for blasting operations. Q37. Quartzite is which type of rock? Answer. Silicious rock explanation. Contains silica, C0Z, as main constituent. Q38. Rocks changed due to temperature and pressure. Answer. Metamorphic rocks explanation. Formed by transformation of existing rocks. Q39. Best example of metamorphic rock. Answer. Gneiss explanation. Formed from granite by metamorphism. Q40. Sandstone converts to quartzite by. Answer. Metamorphic action explanation. Heat and pressure transform sandstone. Q41. Argillaceous rocks contain mainly. Answer. Clay explanation. Composed mainly of alumina-rich minerals. Q42. Sandstone is. Answer. Sedimentary rock explanation. Formed from compacted sand particles. Q43. Example of argillaceous rock. Answer. Slate explanation. Contains clay and alumina. Q44. Length to diameter ratio for UCS test. Answer. 2 explanation. Standard ratio for accurate compressive strength testing. Q45. Black mica is known as. Answer. Biotite explanation. A common mineral in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Q46. Which stone is metamorphic? Answer. Marble explanation. Formed by metamorphism of limestone. Q47. Stratified rock example. Answer. Slate explanation. Has layered structure. Q48. Wrong pair in rock classification. Answer. Calcareous, clay explanation. Calcareous rocks contain lime, not clay. Q49. Rocks formed at shallow depth. Answer. Hypabyssal rocks explanation. Intermediate depth igneous rocks. Q50. Rocks during seismic shocks undergo. Answer. Compaction explanation. Soil and rocks compress under vibration. Q51. Strength of granite depends mainly on. Answer. Quartz explanation. Quartz provides hardness and strength. Q52. Rocks formed from molten magma. Answer. Igneous rocks explanation. Result from cooling and solidification of magma. Q53. Granite is by nature. Answer. Plutonic rock explanation. Formed deep inside earth. Q54. Rocks with clay as main constituent. Answer. Argillaceous rocks explanation. Contain alumina-rich clay minerals. Q55. Granite transforms into. Answer. Gneiss explanation. Through metamorphism. Q56. Least unit weight rock. Answer. Sandstone explanation. Lower density compared to others. Q57. Quartzite and marble are. Answer. Metamorphic rocks explanation. Formed from sandstone and limestone respectively. Q58. Major constituent of silicious rocks. Answer. Silica explanation. Provides hardness and durability. Q59. Rock with one mineral is called. Answer. Monomineralic rock explanation. Example. Quartzite. Q60. Specific gravity of quartz. Answer. 2.65 explanation. Standard property of quartz mineral. Q61. Metamorphic rocks include. Answer. Slate and quartzite explanation. Both formed under heat and pressure. Q62. Hardness of marble, Mohs scale. Answer. 3 explanation. Based on calcite mineral. Q63. Coarseness of grains is called. Answer. Texture explanation. Indicates grain size of minerals. Q64. Rock with calcium carbonate. Answer. Calcareous rock explanation, example, limestone, marble. Q65. Rocks formed by magma solidification. Answer, igneous rocks explanation, formed below or above Earth's surface. Q66. Marble is type of. Answer, metamorphic rock explanation, derived from limestone. Q67. Rock classification code. Answer, is 383197 explanation, standard for classification. Q68. Sedimentary rock with clay particles. Answer, argillaceous rock explanation, fine particles less than 0.002 mm. Q69. Silica percentage in granite. Answer, 70 to 77% explanation, high silica content gives strength. Q70. Sedimentary rocks formed by. Answer, accumulation of weathered deposits explanation, materials deposited over time. Q71. Unstratified rock example. Answer, marble explanation, unstratified rocks do not have layers, marble and quartzite fall in this category. Q72. Most common mineral family in Earth's crust. Answer, silicates explanation, about 90% of Earth's crust is made of silicate minerals. Q73. Rocks formed by consolidation of weathered particles. Answer, sedimentary rocks explanation, formed by deposition and compaction of sediments. Q74. Hardest mineral among given options. Answer, garnet explanation, among listed minerals, garnet has highest hardness. Q75. Which of the following is a rock? Answer, gypsum explanation, gypsum is a sedimentary rock, quartz and mica are minerals. Q76. Which is a sedimentary rock? Answer, gypsum explanation, formed by chemical precipitation. Q77. Best roofing material among options. Answer, slate explanation, low water absorption and good durability. Q78. Softest rock. Answer, talc explanation, talc has hardness 1 on Mohs scale. Q79. Type of cleavage in minerals. Answer, basal explanation, one type of mineral cleavage. Q80. Granite and rhyolite are. Answer, igneous rocks explanation, both formed from molten magma. Q81. Property defining water storage capacity. Answer, porosity explanation, more voids, more water storage. Q82. Rocks with crystalline and compact grains. Answer, unstratified rocks explanation, no layering, dense structure. Q83. Chemical classification example. Answer, siliceous rock explanation, based on chemical composition. Q84. Example of sedimentary rock. Answer, sandstone explanation, formed from compacted sand. Q85. Which is igneous rock? Answer, granite explanation, formed by cooling of magma. Q86. Granite lies under. Answer, aquefuge explanation, impermeable rock, does not store or transmit water. Q87. Hardest substance. Answer, diamond explanation, highest hardness, 1O on Mohs scale. Q88. Which is a rock? Answer, gypsum explanation, it is a sedimentary rock. Q89. Basalt is classified as. Answer, extrusive igneous rock explanation, formed from lava at surface. Q90. Sedimentary rocks are formed by. Answer, deposition of materials like sand and clay explanation, layers form over time due to sedimentation. Q91. Granite is example of. Answer, igneous rock explanation, formed from molten magma. Q92. Basalt and trap are used in. Answer, Rhodes explanation, due to strength and durability. Q93. Granite, basalt, trap are. Answer, igneous rocks explanation, all originate from magma. Q94. Laterite is chemically. Answer, argillaceous rock explanation, contains clay, alumina. Q95. Rocks formed by solidification of magma. Answer, igneous rocks explanation, primary rocks formed from molten material. Q96. Granite nature. Answer, plutonic rock explanation, formed deep inside Earth. Q97. Quartzite is. Answer, metamorphic rock explanation, formed from sandstone. Q98. Major constituent of siliceous rock. Answer, silica explanation, provides hardness. Q99. Rocks with clay is main constituent. Answer, argillaceous rocks explanation, contain alumina-rich minerals. Q100. Sedimentary rocks are also called. Answer, Stratified, aqueous rocks explanation, formed in layers due to water deposition.